could be the boldest move Lexus has ever made. The 2026 Lexus LX 600 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a full transformation. It blends serious off-road capability with first-class comfort and the kind of tech you'd expect in a flagship sedan. Lexus didn't just refresh the LX, they rebuilt it to compete with the very best, from Range Rover to Mercedes. So, is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Section. Exterior design first impressions, strong. The LX 600 keeps its bold spindle grille, but the lines are more refined and modern. The LED headlights are slimmer, the fenders more sculpted, and the stance feels both athletic and commanding. New paint options and sleek wheel designs give it real street presence. Interior. Comfort and tech inside is where Lexus really flexes. You're greeted with top-shelf materials, semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, and soft-touch everything. The dual-screen infotainment system is much improved, intuitive, fast, and finally feels premium. Higher trims get massage seats, a 25-speaker Mark Levinson system, and even a VIP rear cabin with reclining seats. It's genuinely luxurious, front to back. Powertrain and performance under the hood. It's powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 making for 109 horsepower and for 179 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic. It's smooth, surprisingly quick, for its size and more efficient than the old V8. Plus, it can tow up to 8,000 pounds, plenty for boats, trailers, or weekend toys. Asterisk off-road capabilities, asterisk. But don't let the luxury fool you. This thing is built to climb. Full-time for WD, adaptive variable suspension, crawl control, and multiple terrain modes make the LX600 a legit off-roader. It's a luxury SUV that's not afraid of mud. Safety and driver assistance-less safety system plus 3.0 is standard. Adaptive cruise, lane tracing, pedestrian detection, the works. It's loaded but unobtrusive, exactly how safety tech should be. Trims and pricing starts just under $93,000 and climbs past $130,000 for the ultra-luxury trim. There's also the F-Sport handling package if you want a sportier edge. Final verdict: 2026 600 is a rare mix. It's rugged, refined, and unmistakably Lexus. Whether you're hitting the trail or pulling up to a gala, it feels at home. And that's what makes it stand out. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take the LX 600 over a Range Rover or Escalade? Let's hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.